Welcome to ATech. Today we will discuss that how we can convert our simple Facebook profile to professional mode. So first of all, open your Facebook profile, then click on your profile. In the middle you can see three dots, so click it. So you can see your profile settings. So at last you can see turn on professional mode. So click on it. Now you can see your professional mode. So here you can get paid for your content. You can see your content inside and let more people to follow you. So turn on this mode, click on turn on. So this is the second step. Welcome to professional mode, so press continue. So this is the third and final step. You have to fill all this information. So you can see different options that you have to fill. So first of all, you can see establish your presence. So first add a profile picture, then cover photo, then you can add your bio. Then in second step you can see your website link, create new content and details. So by putting all the information you can continue it and your professional mode will be opened. So now we will check that how our professional mode looks like. So you can see our Facebook turns to professional mode. So start with levels. This is the level 1. So you can see on top professional dashboard. You can see, yeah. So by scrolling you can see performance, and in tools you can see monetization option. So get started. You can see possible earning methods. You can earn from stars, ads on reels, sponsors and etc. So in this way you can earn money. So please like and subscribe my channel.